Hello everyone. Here we have this radical equation to solve. Square root of x equals square root of 3. This is simple because the first step is very obvious, right? It is to square both sides. So you square this and then you square this. Squaring will allow the square root to go. So we have x root x, and this is equal to 3. Okay, now the next thing is we're going to square both sides again because of the square root here. So we have x square root of x squared being equal to 3 squared. Now x squared is going to be there, then this will go with this, and we have to multiply by x, and everything is equal to 9. So from here again, what do? We multiply this and we get x to the power of 3 equals 9. Now to get the value of x, we will do away with what? The power of 3. So we have x to the power of 3 to the power of 1 over 3. And that is the only way this power will go. Then this will reflect on the right. So we have 1 over 3 as the power on the right. This is going to cancel, and x is equal to 9 to the power of 1 over 3. And this is the same thing as the cube root of 9, but 9 is not a perfect cube, right? So we can decide to say that our x is equal to 9 to the power of 1 over 3, and we stop at this level. Now let's put it into the equation and see. The equation is square root of x equals square root of 3. So I'm going to write square root of x is 9 to the power of 1 over 3, then square root of 9 to the power of 1 over 3. So this is what we have. Will this be equal to the square root of 3? Let's work it and see. Now this is 9 to the power of 1 over 3 is under one square root sign, so we will raise this to 1 over 2, because any number to the power of 1 over 2 is the square root of the number. So this is for this. This is under 2 square root sign, so we'll multiply this by 9 to the power of 1 over 3, but the power now becomes 1 over 4 because of the 2 square root signs. Now what do? We can always multiply the powers. So we are going to have 9 to the power of 1 over 6 multiplied by 9 to the power of 1 over 12. See that? So what do we do again? Pick one of the bases and add the powers. So we have 9. Then the powers, we have 1 over 6 plus 1 over 12. Sorry. 1 over 6 plus 1 over 12. So this implies that we are having 9. We are having 9. 6 plus 12. That will be 12, right? Then 12 divided by 6 is 2. 2 times 1 is 2, plus 12 divided by 12 is 1 times 1 is 1. So at the end of the day, we will be having 9 to the power of 3 over 12. Then this also implies that we have 9 to the power of 1 over 4. How did we get the 1 over 4? Because 3 into 3 is 1, 3 into 12 is 4. And the next thing we will do is to break this 9. Okay, 9 is 3 to the power of 2, right? Then we have 1 1 over 4 on the outside. By the way, I hope you remember what we're trying to get. We are trying to get square root of 3 on the right. Okay, so we are here. 9 is 3 to the power of 2. Now this can go here 2 times, right? So meaning that we'll be having 3 to the power of 1 over 2. 1 over 2. And I told you before that any number raised to the power of 1 over 2 is the square root of that number. So this is square root of 3. Square root of 3. I remember that it is the same square root of 3 that we had on the right hand side of the equation. Okay, so this is to confirm that this value of x is very satisfying. Thank you for watching. If you love this video, subscribe to my channel and give me a thumb up.